guys, this is me Anna.
And this is me Pam.
Today we are doing something very exciting for Holi.
Yes, for Holi this year we will be creating a colorful and creative look.
But we don't get to choose what look we are creating.
That's the challenge.
Each of us will be given different props, and with that we have to create a very colorful and creative look.
Yes, and later we will also be having a photo shoot.
Wow.
Ready for surprise?
Yes.
Oh my god, I got flowers.
That one. I got stickers and some colorful hair extension.
Okay, I have created a look before with flowers, so I'm
You've
very
seen
excited.
it, and you must be so confident. But let's
That's-
see what I can do with these. Yeah.
I'm done.
I'm also done. It's photo shoot time. Alright, so this was Color Burst by Select Challenge.
Use this hashtag and post your creative and colorful looks, and we'll share the best ones.
So, what are you guys waiting for? Hurry up and create the most colorful and creative look.